and what's driving the XRP price today, let's dive into the latest developments. XRP price has started a fresh increase from the $540 zone, showing positive movement. But what does this mean for the digital assets future? The price of XRP has risen above $1,580 and is now trading above the 100 ROE simple moving average. A key contracting triangle is forming with support at 5,880 cents on the XRP USD pair's hourly chart, indicating a potential for bullish momentum. The XRP has climbed above the 50% fib retracement level of the downward move from the 0.6374-hour swing high to the 5404 low. However, the bulls are now facing resistance near the $1,600 level. If XRP manages to clear the $1,600 resistance zone, the price could extend its gains and head towards the $6,150 level. The next key resistance might be $6,370, and the clear move above this level could send the price towards the $650 resistance. However, if XRP fails to clear the $1,600 resistance zone, it could start another decline. Initial support on the downside is near the $1,680 level and the triangle lower A trend line. The next major support is at 0.565. As for technical indicators, the hourly MACD for XRP USD is gaining pace in the bullish zone, while the hourly RSI for XRP USD is above the 50 level. Major support levels are at 0.588 and 65.65, while major resistance levels are at $60,000 and 61.52. Can XRP maintain its bullish momentum? Only time will tell. With that said, thanks for watching and stay tuned for more updates. Glass.